plant cell have a very thick cell wall around the cell. So why the plant needs cell wall? Because the plant have to withstand lots of environmental stress like winds, rain, etc. So to protect the cell from those environmental stress, it have a thick outer cover which is called as cell wall. Okay, so for animal cell, there is no cell wall is there. Animal cell don't have any cell wall. Okay, the next one is for plant cell. They have after cell wall, they have a covering which is called as cell membrane, and this is also the same for the animal cell. The outer covering is called as the cell membrane. Okay. Now moving on to the next point, the animal cell have a specific type of organelle which is called as lysosome. What is lysosome? Lysosome is an organelle which have lots of digestive enzymes in it. But in animal plant cells, they don't have any lysosome. Now, the next one. For plant cell, there is a special type of organelle is there which is very much necessary for plant survival. Do you know what is the organelle? The name of the organelle is plastid. Yes. So the plant cell have a very important organelle for their functioning is the plastid, but animal cells don't have any plastid in their cells. So what is plastid? Plastid is an organelle which have some pigments, green pigments, chlorophyll, we already know. So they have chlorophyll which is very much important for the production of food, that is known as photosynthesis. Okay. The next point which is common for plant and animal cell organelle which is very much important for plant and animal cell is present in both is the mitochondria, and we know you might have heard about mitochondria. Mitochondria is the organelle which is responsible for the production of energy. So it is called as powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Next point, there is a central vacuole present inside a plant cell, large central vacuole. This is actually the identifying character of a plant cell. In most of the plant cell, we find a large central vacuole. So the large central vacuole, what it does, actually plant have to absorb lot of water for their normal physiological functioning. So in the vacuole, they gather those water, and whenever it is needed, they use that water. So there is a big large vacuole is there at the center of the plant cell. Okay, but in animal cell there is no such large vacuole is there. If there is any vacuole is present, they are very small in structure. They are not very big like plant cell. Okay. For the structural or shape of the plant cell is the size of the size of the plant cell is quite large than the animal cell. The plant cell having a larger size, animal cell are smaller in size. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the plant and animal cells. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and give the